Hello students, this is time for our science class and we are in chapter 2, Habitats of Animals. So in our previous class, we already completed the chapter. So what we learned through this chapter? About terrestrial animals and their habitat. And aquatic animals and their habitat. The process hibernation and migration. Okay, so what is habitat? We already know now that different animals live in different places. A habitat is a special place where a plant or animal lives. Okay, so now through this chapter we learned that terrestrial animals and their habitats. There are four different types of habitats of terrestrial animals. These are forest, desert, mountain and polar region. What are terrestrial animals? Land animals are called as terrestrial animals. Okay? And what are aquatic animals? Water animals are called aquatic animals. And there are two different types of aquatic habitats. These are ocean and freshwater. And lastly, hibernation. What is hibernation? It is a process. Actually, hibernation is the state of animals where they go into deep sleep to save themselves from severe winters and survive without eating much. And what is migration? Migration is the movement of birds and animals to far off places to stay away from harsh weather. Harsh weather, that means too much cold or too much hot, etc. That is, or look for food and a safe place for their breeding. So, what is migration? Migration is the movement of birds and animals to far off places to stay away from harsh weather or look for food and a safe place for their breeding. Now, I am telling you again the main points of this chapter. A habitat is a place where a plant or an animal lives and gets food, water and shelter. The four types of habitats of terrestrial animals, that means what? Yes, land animals are forests, deserts, mountains and polar regions. And the animals that live in water, that is called as aquatic animal, and they live in water for most of the time of their life, are called aquatic animals. And the two types of aquatic habitats are oceans. Oceans are salty water. In oceans there are salty waters, and freshwater habitats. Freshwaters are freshwater, just like the waters from ponds, rivers, etc. And hibernation is the state of animals where they go into deep sleep to save themselves from severe winters and survive without eating much. Animals like bear and lizard eat much food than usual during the autumn season to store it as fat to use during winters when they go into hibernation. And migration is the movement of birds and animals to far off places to stay away from harsh weather. Harsh weather, that means very much cold or very much hot, and look for food and a safe place for their breeding. That means for their reproduction. Okay. So now we are going to question and answers. Okay. So let's start. Firstly, objective type question and answers. Name the following. Number 1. Special place where a plant or animal lives. Answer is habitat. One word answers. These all are. So, special place where a plant or animal lives is called as habitat. Number 2. To live a fish needs this. The answer is clean water. Answer is clean water. To live a fish needs clean water. Now question number 3. Animals that live on land are called this. Terrestrial animals. Terrestrial, double R is there. Always remember that. Terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called as terrestrial animals. Land animals are called as terrestrial animals. Next question number 4. 80% of land animals lives here. Answer, forests. 80% of land animals lives in forests. Question number 5. This region is very hot during the day and cold during night. Answer is deserts. So, desert regions are very hot during day and cold during night. Question number 6. It is a cold habitat. It is mountain. Mountains are cold habitats. Question 7. Layers of fat under the skin of the animals in polar region. That is called as blubber. Blubber actually the layers of fat under the skin of the animals in polar regions, as they are very much cold in this region. For that, this blubber or this fat layers of fat make them stay fit in this region, warm. Okay. Next is question number 8. Animals who live in water are called this. Answer is aquatic animals. Water animals are called this, aquatic animals. Question number 9. Animals who can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Amphibians. AMPHIBIONS. Remember the spelling, okay? BIANS, sorry. Amphibians. Animals who can live both on land and in water are called as amphibians. Next, the largest land animal, African elephant. So, African elephant is the largest land animal. Land animal, that means terrestrial animals. Next type is B, fill in the blanks. The habitat of lion, monkey and rabbit is forest. The habitat of lion, monkey and rabbit is forest. Next 2. The two types of aquatic habitats are dash and dash. For the first dash is oceans and second freshwater. So the full sentence is, the two types of aquatic habitats are oceans and freshwater. Question number 3. 5 oceans cover the 2/3 parts of the Earth's surface. The blank was here, 2/3. 5 oceans cover the 2/3 parts of the Earth's surface. Number 4. Rabbits make dash in the forest floor to live. Here the answer is underground burrows. Rabbits make underground burrows in the forest floor to live. Next 5. Desert region receives very little dash, very little rainfall. Desert region receives very little rainfall. Next, life in the polar regions of dash and dash is extremely difficult. For the first dash, there is Arctic and second Antarctica. Okay. And next, seal and walrus survive in dash wind and dash temperature. First, for the first blank, cold, and then next low. Seal and walrus survive in cold wind and low temperature. Number 8. Cranes fly off to far off places because of dash changes, weather changes. Cranes fly off to far off places because of weather changes. India is home for many dash birds, migratory birds. India is home for many migratory birds. 10. Here was the blank. Blank live in the lower part of the mountain. Black bear live in the lower part of the mountain. Next, write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong one. Also correct the false statement. First one is, the camel migrates to find food. False. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is, the African elephant migrate to find food. Next, number 2, there are 4 types of aquatic habitat. It is also false statement. So what is the correct answer? There are 2 types of aquatic habitat. Next, number 3, bighorn sheep are found on mountain tops. So it is false. What is the correct answer then? Bighorn sheep are found in the lower part of the mountains. Okay. Next, number 4, there are 5 oceans on the earth. That is true statement. And next, number 5, lion, tiger, bears live in caves. That is also true statement. Question number 6, air is very scarce on mountain. It is false. So what is the correct statement? Oxygen is very scarce on mountain. Okay. Next is question number 7. During hibernation, the animal's body temperature drops and rate of breathing slow down. This is also true statement. Okay. Now is choose the correct option. Number 1. Where does a giraffe live? Options are desert, forest, cave, mountain. The correct option is forest. Okay. Next, question 2. Where does a monkey live? A, burrow. Option A, burrow. Option B, desert. Option C, tree. Option D, freshwater. And the correct answer is tree. Next, question 3. Where does a duck live? Option A, pond. Option B, forest. Option C, tree. Option D, ocean. So, the correct option is pond. Next, question 4. Where does a walrus live? Option A, desert. Option B, caves. Option C, forest. Option D, polar region. The correct option is polar region. Next, question 5. Octopuses live here. Option A, oceans. Option B, desert. Option C, pond. Option D, ditches. The correct option, oceans. 6. This provide warmth to polar bears. A, thick skin. B, thick fur. C, body color. Or D, none. The correct option is thick fur. Next is, give 2 examples for each of the following. Question 1. Animals who make underground burrows to live. Snake and earthworm. 2. Desert animals. Camel, rattlesnake. 3. Animals who live lower part of mountain. Bighorn sheep, mountain goat. Number 4. Animals of polar region, penguin and seal. Next, number 5. Animals who live in ocean water, whale, jellyfish, octopus. There are 3 examples. You can remember 2. Okay. Amphibians. Next, 6 amphibians, frog and crocodile. 7. Freshwater animals, goose, fish. Next, hibernating animals, snake, lizard. 9. Migratory birds who fly to India, flamingo, cranes. Next, question 10. A migratory insect, that is monarch butterfly. Okay. So you all write all these question answers in your science copy and memorize all that and go through the chapter very well. In our next class, I'll give you some question answer and definitions on this chapter. Okay. So till then, bye.